Hello everyone, welcome back to another Chat GPT free AI tutorial. It's going to show you how to create an ebook, write an ebook, and use it to generate passive income. And we're going to do it in less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you every single step of the way how to do it. Let's get started. First step, go to chat.openai.com and we're in Chat GPT like I am here. The next step is if you have your own idea, you can type it in here and start that way. If you do not have an idea, you're not sure what to write about, we'll start with me and then we'll go through it step by step. So the first step is you want to go ahead and go, give me 10 ideas for nonfiction ebooks, for example. Now, keep in mind that nonfiction ebooks are great for Chat GPT. Fiction ebooks, where they talk about make-believe stuff, not so good. It's not as good at writing poetry and stuff like that. It's not a verse. It's more for history and science and all those types of things. So there we go. Nonfiction, it gave me 10 ideas. Let's see here. A how-to manual for a specific skill or hobby. Okay, that sounds interesting. Okay, so let's go. Give me subcategories for number 4. I'm just picking this at random. You guys can, of course, go with anything that you think best. And here we go. We're going to get a few more ideas. Knitting, crocheting, photography, and videography. Okay, that makes sense. Photography and videography. Okay, so those sounds good. So I'm going to go ahead and give me ideas for photography and videography. So basically, we're just trying to narrow it down, because if you write a broad book, it's not as good as if you go very, very niche, especially if you're selling ebooks. So anyways, it's given me a bunch of ideas, and we're going to pick one of these. I'm a videographer slash photographer, so let's go ahead and just see what we got here. Digital camera or smartphone camera. Okay, beginner's guide. Okay, right now, this is the important step. Write an outline for let's go, beginners. We're going to go with the first one, to a smartphone camera for videography. Something like that, okay? Now, this is just an example, of course. This is going to write the outline. This is the critical step. You can see here that it's giving you an introduction, the getting started, shooting techniques. Holy smokes, it's going really into depth. So this is the basic skeleton of what the book's going to look like. Now, once this is done, and it'll be done in a few seconds, it's very, very quick, we're going to dig in deep now. Now we're going to go into the details. So, introduction. I'm going to take this before I start, actually. I'm going to go ahead and select this whole thing. I'm going to Command-C on a Mac, Control-C on a PC, go to Microsoft Word or whatever you use to record your document, and I'm just going to go Command-V and paste it. It's not formatted very nicely, but formatting is easy to fix, especially in the end. So here we go. This is our basic format. You could even use this as a table of contents if you wanted to. It's ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to enter down, and then we're going to go here. Okay, so introduction. I'm going to type that in. And again, the formatting doesn't matter. And then the first part is, what do we got? The benefits of using a smartphone camera for videography. That's what we're going to do. Now, I'm going to go Command-V, and I'm going to type in the benefits. Oops, let's just go ahead. The benefits of using a smartphone camera for videography, detailed explanation. Okay, something like that. Here we go. Now we're writing the ebook. Okay, so there are several benefits to using a smartphone camera for videography. All right, these look pretty good, pretty standard. Let's go ahead and begin selecting these. So this is going to be the introduction to the book. Again, you can get rid of the numbers if you don't want the numbers. If you do want the numbers, great, whatever works for you. However you want to set your book up. I'm going to Command-C, take all that, Command-C, go to my book, and this is the introduction, Command-V. There we go. There are several benefits, introduction, blah, blah, blah. Now watch this. I'm going to go elaborate on number 1, because why not? It's a nice little bit, but maybe I want to know more details on how it's so convenient that smartphones are portable and easy to carry. But again, that's pretty basic. Everybody knows that. Let's dig in. So here we go. One of the main benefits of the smartphone camera video is convenience. Okay, good. This sounds pretty good. I'll take this, Command-C, and you'll see here what's happening. I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, okay, this is ugly, but that's okay. Command-V, drop it in. Let's go ahead and I'm going to Command-A, and I'm going to go to my paste styles, and I'm going to clear all the formatting so it's nice and ugly looking, but that way everything's sort of lined up. So what I'm doing basically is, again, I'm just going ahead and copying and pasting what it tells me. And when I get something like convenience, I dig in. So I would then write for number 2, I would go explain, I would elaborate. Let's just do it. Elaborate on number 2. Okay, and then bang, this number 2 here, it's going to go ahead and talk about the quality. And because this is a conversation, it's very, very smart. Chat GPT is smart, and we can now just go ahead and take this, and we're going to go ahead and drop it into the document. And this is how we're creating the ebook. Where's quality? Right here. Okay, so there we go. I will just drop this in. Of course, you got to proofread it and make sure it makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and paste special unformatted text because I just wanted to go directly in there, and bang, we've now got a 441 word document or ebook. And then watch this. To keep going on, we're going to go, okay, this is how we would do the first part. Now we would go the second part, the capabilities and limitations of smartphone cameras. Elaborate on, copy paste, bang. We take this and we just drill through the outline step by step. You're going to have an amazing ebook. You can sell it, generate passive income. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.